Once upon a time, Thomas the Tank Engine was feeling very adventurous. He was on the island of Sodor, and today, he had a special mission. He was tasked with delivering a big, shiny package to the farthest corner of the island. As Thomas chugged along the tracks, he passed beautiful fields, tall mountains, and lush forests. But suddenly, a big storm rolled in. The wind howled, and rain poured down. Thomas had to stay brave and keep going. With his determination, he finally reached the destination. Everyone cheered as Thomas delivered the special package. It was a day full of excitement, and Thomas realized that no matter what challenges he faced, he could always push forward.